Hello friends, this is part 8 of pattern printing using nested for loop. Today we will work on custom rows, custom columns and characters. Like we are not going to print statics, we will print the pattern according to the character entered by the user. So like the character will be any character or any integer. We are going to print a simple pattern. Our focus is on custom rows and custom columns entered from the user and the character entered by the user. So pattern doesn't matter, only we need to focus on number of rows and columns and how to use these rows and columns and how to use the character entered by the user to print the pattern. So first we need rows and columns from the user. Enter rows. Enter columns. Now we need a character to be printed, so we will get a character from the user. So for this type of pattern we need only, as rows and columns are entered by user, just we have to write the code. So for rows, now I started from 1 and I goes to, and the limit is row entered by the user. For columns, same is the process. But for this type of pattern we only need rows. Without column this pattern can be printed. So now what we have to print? We have to print the value of the character. Means character as in place of static. So this is the pattern, and let's move to other pattern, that is this sort of pattern where we can utilize the value of column entered by the user. So this is the pattern. Now you can use custom values of rows and columns and the character to be printed like this.